Total Sienna, we're back.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a Lancaster County,
Another from my county.
Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Lamar County.
This is compilation number 22. That was compilation number 21. This is compilation number 22. Let me check on the radio. Let's turn it up. Here we go.
Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Lamar County, County in southeastern Nebraska, York County, western EAS County in southeastern Nebraska, western Cascade. Time, April 11:28 p.m. Severe thunderstorms.
That might do if they did it well.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour. Homes Lake Park around 11:40 has been reported by the public. Impact expects damage to roofs. Sighting.
Compilation number 22. That was 21. Severe thunderstorm warning on the radio. Severe thunderstorm warning.
Waverly and Ashland around 11:40 p.m. Greenwood, Western, and Holmes Lake Park around 11:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of the Ancestors. Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward.
Wow, that was a lot of counties.
Mile markers 366 and 432. Severe thunderstorm warning moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Gage, Jefferson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward. Including a large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons
On Bubble Guppies.
broadcast radio and television outlets or internet sources to the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 5.
Old-fashioned values on which we used to rely. Laugh and cry.
The usual, fellas?
Hey, thanks, Jerome. Wow, Jerome, what's with the wheelchair?
Well, it was dating.
Here we go. Family Guy Emergency Alert System.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sarpy County, Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, northern thunderstorms reported by the public, Dorchester, Pleasant County in southeastern Nebraska.
Why is the space? That's weird. And
from near me to 5 miles south of Friend, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been reported by the public. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lincoln, Crete, Dorchester, Pleasantdale, Davie, Emerald, Lincoln Airport, and Pioneers
Lincoln Airport.
Park around 11:35 p.m. Waverly and Ashland around 11:40 p.m. Greenwood, Western, and Holmes Lake Park around 11:45 p.m. Other other locations in the path of these severe
Another severe thunderstorm warning.
Swanton and Walton. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 432. For your
Another severe thunderstorm warning. Another from my county again. Here we go. So that was the iPhone 5C. Now back to Greg, Z09. Yep,
You're at.
in the office.
Was it in somewhere?
No.
Nebraska, Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Jefferson County.
I don't know what's the 5C. One point the charger.
Saline County in southeast.
I'll be done.
Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, Seward County in southeastern Nebraska.
This is compilation number 22. 22.
Right, we're all done. Now take off your pants. What the hell? Don't listen to Leapy.
Excuse me.
Storms will be near Lincoln, Crete, Dorchester, Pleasantville.
Okay, Cleveland, you're mostly out of shape. Thankfully, all postmen have
say your battery.
leg muscles.
It's still recording now.
Focus here. They really that strong looking? It's like a wave monkey
Include
going
Wilbur, Swanton, and Walton. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 432. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Gage, Jefferson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward.
My gosh, a lot of counties.
Here you go, fella.
Hey, Jerome, great to see you back on your feet.
What?
You're telling me.
Wow,
that
I'm trying to
calendar
find old
goes
games
paid for my
here.
Surgery, and then some.
Okay.
Okay.
Consider your time paid up for the whole month.
Wow, did we really make that much
That was
money?
another severe thunderstorm warning from my county again.
Plan for a laugh.
Once again.
Oh yeah, we're having a laugh, all right.
Okay, that's it.
Might say
That's it for
everybody's
the.
Well, that's it for now. Turn your camera off before your battery goes dead.
Okay. What I say now?
That's it. That's it. That's it.
We'll see you.
In the next one. Stop scratching your butt.
All right.
See you
let's
next.
start at naval
That's it.
warp
That's
down.
it.
Alright, this is going to be iPad,
Weather Service in Omaha.
another severe thunderstorm warning.
Gage,
What's the name of the iPad?
I got many.
iPad Mini? What number?
One.
iPad Mini. This is going to be a severe thunderstorm warning for Iowa and Nebraska. The iPad Mini 1 take. First take. Oh, well, let me check on my radio.
Just north of that. Yeah, these winds are moving these storms pretty quickly.
Southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County, southeastern Saline County, and southeastern Nebraska.
So we have three switching cameras now.
County in southeastern Nebraska. Cass
I don't know what this station this is.
Nebraska, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Omaha to 3 miles north of Roca to 3 miles west of Wilbur.
Oh, I have to cut it off now. I have to mute it. I'll be right back again.
Source, weather instrument address. Weather Service. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Omaha, Council Bluffs, Bellevue, Petilia, Ralston, La Vista, Carter Lake, Wilbur, Hickman, and Springfield around 11:55 p.m. Off Air Force Base, Firth, Palmyra, and Panama around 12 a.m. Drinking water, Unadilla,
Los Potawatomi.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Douglas, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Udo, Saline, and Saunders, and the following counties in Iowa, Mills, and Potawatomi.
Los Potawatomi.